Okay, we're here with Bruce Hart and Brian Pillman, the International Tag Team Champions. Brian Pillman is the man who has the formidable challenge tonight. You're going up against the man who hasn't been defeated, Jason the Terrible, but you've insisted on a no disqualification match. It'll be a dandy. Brian?
Well, Jim, call it a public service announcement, call it what you want. I would feel remiss if I didn't inform Jason the Terrible that Halloween is in October. I understand he's got a delinquent account here at a local store because he didn't return last year's costume from the masquerade party he was at. Well, it's fine and dandy, Jason. You want to play games? Great. Get ready for Friday the 13th, the final chapter. Because after I get done ripping off that mask and showing everybody in Technicolor why they call you the face that launched 1,000 plastic surgeons, I'm going to take that mask, cram it into every one of your vital organs, and ram it down your throat. And when you're laying there and that last breath of life is fading slowly from your lungs, you're going to know what being Pillmanized is all about. Jim, we're not going to need a referee to count to 3. We're going to need a priest to give him his last rites.
Okay, Brian Pillman has no doubts about what's going to happen. And Bruce Hart, as the head of the Hart Mafia, you must be a little concerned about Brother Owen Hart losing his Commonwealth mid-heavyweight title to the likes of the Great Gamma.
I'm totally disappointed with it. It was a really lousy decision last week, but Owen's going to take him tonight. He's got everything going in his favor tonight. They can keep the rest of those geeks from the Karachi Vice out of there. Owen's going to get that belt back and run Gamma out of town like he should have done last week.
Thanks very much. International Tag Team Champions Bruce Hart and Brian Pillman. You'll see Brian later on against Jason the Terrible.